What's good, y'all? Man, I'm about to go ahead and brush my teeth, man, and talk to y'all, man. My bad, I ain't been uploading. Hey, hold on, before I start, if y'all brush your teeth, wet the toothbrush. The first thing you do, wet the toothbrush first. Wet it, then save water. Pour that mug on there. I seen on TikTok a dentist go say you need only a little bit of toothpaste. Heck no, I'm filling that mug up just like that. What y'all do is wet it up again, man. Then use it, you know? Was that long enough for y'all? Alright, y'all. Go have there's this hot water running. Give me a towel so I can wash my beautiful face. Yeah, man, I was coming to talk to y'all, man. Man, my bad. I ain't been releasing no videos, man. I've been trying to. I recorded. Now, let me tell y'all something. I was trying to do some reaction videos, right? I recorded 3 reaction videos. 3. The first one, the record button didn't even like start. So I made a whole video of me not recording. Second one, it ended halfway through it. I don't know why. And the third one, I recorded the whole one, was recording whole through. I watched the video of it and how the video was like, it was It was weird. It was like I would speak, but my voice would be ahead of me. Like, okay, that didn't make sense. Alright, so say I'm saying hi right now. If y'all know, y'all know. Okay, I was talking, but it wasn't me. Like, see how I'm talking now, and it matched my mouth. It's coming out. It wasn't doing that. It was going by slow. The video was going slower than the audio. That's the best way to put it. The video was going slower than the audio, and I completely been trying to fix my computer. Like, man, how can I get this thing to work? I felt, and I need to have someone come and look at it or something, so I can get the streaming and all that. But cause me how I am, I would instantly buy a new one. Honestly. I would just say, forget it. Let me go ahead and buy me a new computer. I need to pick my hair out. But yeah, I would instantly just say, I need to buy me a new computer or something. But ever since I'm not gonna lie to y'all, ever since I quit my job, I really have not been doing nothing. Where I was working at, literally worked to death. And man, I couldn't do nothing but just lay around right after work. Like, when I was pressing those videos out, I had time off. And man, I just looked at it, like the views of it. Man, I was getting views on it, man. I be seeing all y'all comments, man. I see them. And people be hitting me up on Snap, keep going and all that. And this is a sign for me to keep going. I seen a post. They said, man, don't blame it on the city where you're, dang, I got a little here. They said, don't blame it on the city where you at. I'm gonna let y'all know now. If y'all know Oklahoma, y'all know there's nothing to do here. Keep it a whole buck with you. There is literally nothing to do here. If there is, I done already done it. I done literally done almost everything here. What the heck? Dead hair. But yeah, I done really done almost everything here. I got hair all on me. How I look, y'all? Look like I can take y'all, girl. Look, ooh. Hold on, let me flip this. Sheesh. That's the Mr. Stay Your Girl right there. Alright, what it do, y'all? Let me show y'all my car, man. So this is proof that I have not been nowhere, haven't got my car done or nothing because of this weather. So, woo! Look at this. Look, oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need me a nice touch up. Woo! Yeah. I'm gonna need me a nice touch up, man. So it been I'm gonna need me a nice touch up. I gotta give me some new stickers too, man. So we about to go to the car wash, man. I can definitely tell my dad has been in my car. Yeah, I can most definitely tell, but we're about to go get a car wash first because I definitely need it. And oh man, bro, I can't get copyrighted. I'm tripping. And we're gonna see what our day brings us, man. Whew, I'm gonna spend a little bag on that. But let's go ahead and get it. All right, man. So I was right next to this car wash, and I got a call. I gotta go. Guess with my cousin. What is up with my lens? I don't focus on me. Focus. There we go. But gotta go pick up my cousin because I guess she has a flat tire. So now I gotta drive probably about 25 minutes out from where I'm at now, just to go pick this little girl up and take her out on nowhere. Yeah. So how's my day starting? So my cousin's tire is popped off, and the only person who available by choice is me. So gotta cancel these plans, help my cousin out. It's whatever. Also, yeah, man, I got freshed up and stuff. So we just went there. We didn't have no jack, no tire. Now we have to find a jack, take the tire off, get the tire, take it to a tire place, get a different tire, and put a new tire on. This should be quite the show. Alright, y'all, show y'all the tire that we gotta deal with. Woo. Happy with it. I'm getting it done. It looked like it stuff, you know, it came off, popped it off, but it's alright. Ain't no need to fear. The man in the family is here. But let me go ahead, get this straightened up, man. And I'm gonna check in with y'all, man. Keep me in y'all prayers, please. All right, y'all, man. I'm
gonna call you back. Keep vlogging. Keep vlogging. Okay. They put me on the camera.
Anyways, I just got the tire off. We're just waiting for him to put the new tire on. Gotta get some. Damn, phone blowing.
That's her.
But
can you hear me now? Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff done, man.
It's just the bonnet for me. They got that shit touched. No, this is the code. No, for real. That's how you think about the
Y'all see the mask, man.
Now, who are you with now? I can't hear you earlier. My cousin. My nephew.
Boy, get your ass on, say my nephew.
Was he taking you to fix it? Yeah, he the one that took it off. Okay. Yeah, my mama was like...
Alright, y'all, so I just got done fixing the tire or whatever, and it was cool, a little experience, but all my plans are canceled. I had a lot going on, but hey, it is what it is. We got something planned tonight, and I ain't gonna let y'all know yet, but it's coming. And say hi to my sister.
Hey, y'all.
That's my sis, man. We were supposed to be making a video, but people play. But it is what it is. Dang, they got the fire department in. Dang. But all right, y'all, man. Whatever we got to do, we gotta do. All right, y'all. So, about to go to this car meet. Somebody's in my car. Who? Oh, hey.
What's poppin', y'all?
How you doing?
Good, and you?
All right. Person. Yeah. Whew.
Did it start?
Yep. Got her driving the 2020.
I'm gonna try to charge it, y'all.
And y'all pray for me.
Please pick it up first.
Yeah. Hey y'all. Look at we up here, man. They got some of the nice whips, no cap, bro. We got the Charger right here. SRT Hemi. Ooh. We got a Mazda. We could have parked right there. Alright, sorry. Park over here somewhere. You already know. They got a lot of whips out here, man. It's cold. Look at these whips, y'all. Look at these whips. Chargers. Hey, man, I'm coming out here to see who can pay my car note. Cause you ain't gonna, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I need that paid off. Who wanna pay that car note? See, I wish if I had the handicaps. Right there. Ooh, look at those cars. But man, we're gonna try to get some footage for y'all, man. I'm about to record everything, bro. I ain't missing out on nothing tonight. And man, I've been going through pain for so long. I didn't even came, though. I don't. Oh, hey, hold on, woman. Hey, you better slow down now. But nah, I'm about to go ahead. Let's get into it, y'all, man. Y'all already know the vibes, bro. Let me make sure this mug focus on me. What the hell? Run into the cars. Stuff. We out here, man. We gonna check out the cars. Then I'm gonna go grab my Hellcat. Look at these cars, man. Ooh, hey, this is Camaro right here. Nice. Jeez. Oh yeah. Nah, we out, man. It's a little cold, whatever. Ooh. Y'all know the vibes. They got the whips posted. That mud clean, no cap, that's clean. I ain't trying to get copyrighted or nothing. These people out here trying to copyright me. They trying to copyright. Jeez. We need that mug to focus. Sheesh. Flip this mug, man. What we got coming through, man? What we got coming through? What this is? Ooh. Yeah, that motherfucker by.
About 200.
Oh, you got Parallelism though.
But it's on like 13 VC. Only about
How much that mug is?
13 VC.
13?
Yeah, about 13.
VC? That's a new. Hey, nigga. My bill can't even take that. He make he make two or 300 a game.
Hey, that bucket.
Oh, hey, watch yourself now. I got the blicky on me. I do shoot. Jeez.
That shit higher than
No, that's higher, bro. Jeez. Oh, bro. Oh yeah, this nice. No cap. This is nice. Excuse me. Dang. Oh yeah, they came fully decked, bro. And he got the airlift. Jeez. Gosh, y'all. I am right next to my dream car. Jeez. Bro, I gotta come around too, bro. This mug is too far. Jeez. Bro, yeah, that's too far. Whoever called it said, oh. This mug too far.
Is this another one?
Oh God, please. They got the lamb right here.
Okay. Oh, this is a test plug.
Jeez. Oh yeah, bro. That's tough.
I got that right now in my garage. That's a tourist.
Hey man, we just hit 1 million subscribers. This is the 1 million subscriber special, man. This the 1 mil special, man. Look at this mug. Jeez. We out here, man. We gonna keep seeing what gang gang. We gonna keep seeing what's here, man. We try to look at every car. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, so I'm talking over this, but hey. Let's keep it going, man. Jeez. These mugs. 5. Oh yeah.
Real simple. That's tough.
Simple.
That's tough.
Bro, this mug right here cold, bro. I had one of these. If you know me, you know I had one of those.
I had
Gee, it's right here cold, no cap. We out here, man. We done walked around everywhere, but hey,
Yeah,
show ain't over. Ooh.
Ooh, they
Ooh, hold on, y'all. Hey, you need to peep that, bro. All right, buddy.
Yeah, let's move. His car's gonna blow up on you.
Oh, watch out, bro. You gotta let that one come through. Sheesh.
Good. That's some cars you see on movies.
Oh, heck.
That truck getting right.
That man.
That is definitely COVID in there.
Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Hey, is that Limbo? Yeah, that's Limbo.
That's you.
No, that's Corvette. No, that is a Limbo. I gotta get this, bro. Got to.
That's not a Limbo.
Damn, that motherfucker farted. Jeez. Bro, that mug took off. Yes, sir. Jeez. Jeez. Going?
Hey, them trucks on the brake like cooking here.
Jeez. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. We should. Oh.
He had the flex. He had the flex.
He slid.
What if he came through that big? Bro, it's a fence right there. You would have died. Does it not say? There's Rob.
Oh. Jeez.
Yeah, that kept like 7 times.
Okay, all right, yeah. See. All right, buddy. Go ahead. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
Snappy, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm shaking.
Who wanna make my car payment, dude?
Okay, what if you stop the Corvette? I will. Yeah, you will. Yeah, them buggies will go.
That mug is gone. Uh-oh. Everybody pull your phones out. Hey, that mug, you got a little smooth take. Woo! Yeah, that's a Lambo.
He didn't floor it, bro.
He ain't floor it. Jeez.
Okay.
Damn. Is this the 4th of July?
You smell that too?
Hell yeah.
Excuse me. Who the fuck letting off Roman County?
Dang, that's bro. You know he was having fun during that snow.
He got lights on. He finna take off.
Just like that, so
I hear
like
anything?
that. Yeah, it sounds
Yeah.
like nitro on that motherfucker or something.
Camp, go. Oh, bro, you better chill out, bro.
Imagine I jump over there.
Jeez.
I was ain't worried about nobody over there.
Bro, no, cause some cops, bro, they like.
Oh, pin your head to your tail seat.
Hey, you for the floor.
That is going to be me.
Still with
That
that
is
business?
going to be me. Yeah, that's a Hellcat.
I just said that.
See how loud that mug was?
Okay, I feel like I'm supposed to be on the other side of the street.
Uh oh.
I swear to God, I don't got anything
The
on.
boy is on the way.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you finna hit that.
Uh oh.
Oh, that's that.
I know that mug get up. I know that mug get up.
Okay, you seen that Connor walking across
Yeah,
the
that
street?
dude was. I think that was Henry. That was Henry.
Oh, that was?
Yeah.
This shit actually fast.
Yeah, what the hell? He said that like he was in a bucket, like a nice looking, like a fixed
We
up.
got the trucks. There he was.
Oh, it's
All right.
It's creeping up. Bro, it's these slow cars in
There's
front
that
that's
white car
messing
you
it
can
up.
Uh-oh. Up next. Yes, sir.
Why is it 30,000 cars coming at the time he feel like he...
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Whoever that dude was that walked across the street while that Hellcat was
Yeah,
walking,
just
bro, he
fucked up.
weirdo. All right, y'all, welcome to Oklahoma. A+, affordable insurance.
I have to go home, man.
That was a female driving that.
Damn! Jesus!
That's her.
I got that all on camera, too.
How fast
It was
Okay, they try to...
0.1 seconds. Uh-oh. Jeez! His ass already went.
Is that easy to run around the block?
Wasn't enough people.
That motherfucker.
Why are they running
But
back
the
and
first
forth?
time he came, he didn't even push it.
Dang. That mug is wild, bro.
Okay. Yeah, dude.
They got cars bro, that mug got cars going off. That was probably the loudest one.
Oh, hell yeah, they truck on.
28.
Bro, all them cars down there, bro.
Yeah, it's hella people. Like, it's not...
Jeez. Open the road, sir. Do something. Oh my God. Jeez.
There's nobody coming here. Come on, stand up.
He just trying to make some people like,
That nigga lost like this ground.
Alright, Mustang voice.
Is that my vehicle?
Hey. Look at all this smoke.
Hey, why this car smoke?
Hey, the smoke will never clear RP pop, man.
this nigga said, well,
Okay,
it's
get ready to
smoking.
run, gang. They finna race? Are they racing?
It's that time.
Did he call that car out, bro? That car look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He was just nice to
Dude, I thought dude was about to floor it, bro.
Hey, Karen was gonna call the cops on all of them. Y'all see that court screen? Y'all just stand there.
Hey Cam, go get my Hellcat real quick, bro. I'm about to go grab the boy. Jeez, man.
This car is iffy.
Bro, come on, man. That mug floor too.
That was smooth.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. The smoothest car was that one car.
Nah, get out there and race these cars. $5.
Corvette out there.
Cam, nigga, hold on, Cam. Hold on, boy. Hey.
In the air. Global warming.
You say global warming. He ain't got no gas. Oh shit. Oh shit.
So you finna hit it. They see everybody over here trying to rush and running on the court for a bit. Back and forth, they burn.
I see you. Once you pull it,
I ain't gonna lie. I would hate to be on that side. I don't care.
Everybody on the left is across the street.
Okay, why is that big ass truck? Yeah, we are mad close to the road. I ain't gonna lie to you. Somebody gonna pull up.
But we, hey.
Now imagine somebody running.
Damn, everybody running. Jeez. Damn. That's the one.
Hey, dude, that drifting. Fucking shake your whole body. My insides are gonna blow them. Blow up.
His name is Cam, Walkie Cam. Ugly Cam, I'm about to get on you, boy. Yo, I thought you was blue face. No, yo, had big face, ugly nigga. This motherfucker, boy, this what's more. What's this motherfucker?
Polyester.
Bust down. Hold on, no, this is bust down. Bust down, Bubba. See,
Say, run across the street, man.
Yeah.
That's content.
I got hit by a car.
Bro, if I had on black forces, I would have been running.
If I had on black forces, I'll run straight.
My forces like
Damn.
that
They gonna train.
shit. Oh, so you can keep going. Sure.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
There you go.
Good one.
That shit sound nice. Oh, he gone. I thought it was this car doing that.
Like, why are they all scared?
I was like, look.
Look at all that smoke. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This gonna be a long edit right here, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to see the like. What are you doing?
Damn! That shit worse than COVID.
You're a brave man. Go say
They're
what's
not
up.
driving close over here anyway.
Yeah, they're not.
They're like
They're in the middle.
That truck's long.
That's the one we see.
Oh, true. It's
Uh-oh.
What's happening?
Oh, that's a...
He didn't hit it
I
as
know.
fast as he could.
He coulda.
Look, they're debating to run back again. Like, why?
Bro, that cop about to come through and wreck this motherfucker.
Yeah, the cop said, fuck it. I ain't catching it. He was trying to hit it.
Look at all these people, y'all.
Hey, that was a good fake right there. I thought it was him.
How you feel so far about it?
You know, I feel really good. It's a little cold outside.
Hold on. Now we can hear you.
It's a little cold out here, but you know, it's worth it.
It's worth it. I'm gonna get y'all next. Hold on. Let me.
Oh, that's pest control.
Okay.
Look.
Somebody come claim my ex. Not that one.
The middle finger.
How you feel about it?
It's pretty cool, man. You know, just out here, new journey, new life, man. Get it back over here.
How you feel about it, sir?
Bro, it's fire, man.
We don't care about his opinion.
But the cops don't come and shut this bitch down.
You're gonna shut it down. Look at all these people. He told all these people to move and look.
Yeah, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Inside of this jacket, it's hotter than panther piss.
Bro, what?
That motherfucker too.
Damn.
You good?
Hell no.
I hear smells ringing like 18 cars ago.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we see what truck was fast right
I'm about to go get my car just to run this motherfucker. Bro, that Lambo was gone.
Hey, bro, if I had my guy Jets out here, he'd drift all the way down the street, bro.
Legs stay body in the air. They keep running.
All right, buddy.
Lambo driving through like that. Legs stuck in the
All right, buddy.
And that
His
nigga
car
bumper
got
missing.
Somebody took a bite out of the car.
Bumper was gone.
Dude had to advance the bumper so far. Bro said, is that a lawnmower? Lee?
The dude said leave.
It's fake though.
Why are they running back and forth? Zay, go, run.
Boy, how about you take your dumb ass out there?
Hold on, he finna That's a big body.
That's a big body Miyagi.
He stopped the car. He's doing Bernie. Oh, hold on, what the fuck? Where you driving?
Damn, that motherfucker worse than COVID. Dang, is that Erky in here?
Dog, that shit worse than your breath. That's fuck. We can't even see him coming.
Well, that's
Boy, that motherfucker smell like poop and salmonella poison.
That's just like, who did it in the one go? It was cool till it came down the street. Whoever jump out there in front of that car, you get $10.
What is that?
Get up close, get up close.
Yeah.
Okay, he did all of that for no reason. That's Dom's car.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I thought about something that.
Yeah.
He said a regular truck.
Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get like 1 million views. Oh, bro, come on, bro. Not again, bro.
Let's say goodbye to our runs. They're fucking up, bro. Even if you're like, we got 30 minutes. All second hand slow. Look at it. This traction is ass.
Black Ash.
What are we doing? He went out. Back up. See how you wanna get right here?
Wait, your ass all up on me, boy.
Yeah,
She back in the back. Oh, like, where she go?
Fuck that.
I'll watch from a distance. The video,
That's like hitchhiking is this
Man. Bro, people want to get hit, bro.
his big ass wanted to get
Bro,
hit.
I'm telling you. Let me bring my car. I'm telling you, I'm hitting somebody, bro.
He was like, I'm gonna get a check, man.
That nigga wouldn't even flip, for real.
Hey, some of these big ass trucks that be coming with like some pieces gonna fall off.
Y'all like? Oh, what's good, my boy?
Hey, you get me on camera, bro?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, hell yeah, let me see that. He was like, there we go, right there.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, go ahead.
Uh-oh, oh yeah.
Bro. Go ahead and fuck that shit up.
Oh, come on.
He did. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
hey, I'm gonna have to run across the street to get up here.
Yeah, I'll start running over.
Alright. Y'all already know the vibes. Got my boy Henry.
What's up, bro? It's your boy Henry in the scene. Oh, shit. What's up?
What happened?
Hold on. Hey, hold
That's the
on.
fastest one we've seen.
Ah, bro.
Damn, that's quiet. It sounds nice, dude.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh shit, my bad, bro.
That car called me. Damn.
I'm just gonna crash because can't see.
And the car got HIV.
Right?
What the fuck? Where that motherfucker at with it?
So many cars out here, but he bumped.
Hey.
I'm about to do it now. I'm gonna jump out there.
His ass thought he was gone.
I thought it was Tiana. Was he really gonna kill me?
Oh, uh-oh.
Okay, he thought he was gonna race me.
Go home. Take a right and go home.
Oh yeah, they're fucking flooring it right now, man. Imagine saying you said that's somebody.
There
go my dream.
There go my trim car. All them lights on the top.
Somebody grandma floored through this motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah, that bitch. Yeah. 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 I ain't gotta be funny, but I'm telling them jokes. She still gonna laugh at me still somewhere. Yeah.
Watching the video, man, hit that like button and post notification bell and subscribe if you haven't. All right, man. I'm gonna start going to car meets now, man. I'm currently sitting in the Charger right now. And man, hey, this was fun. This video was fun. I didn't make no outro to it. We was out late, but it was most definitely fun. But if you guys can, man, continue to show support, man. Drop a comment on how y'all feel about this video, man. What I got to do to make it better. Just let me know some stuff I can do also to bring some more content to y'all. I'm starting to like doing car videos. You feel me? And I know a lot of you guys like car videos, so hey man, why don't we just start doing it? But hey, y'all go ahead and hit that sub button, man. If you watching this, bro, you didn't hit it, bro, go ahead and hit it, bro. Let me be one of your people you subscribe to, man. But I love y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed day, man. Waiting on my brother right now. But love y'all. And see y'all in the next one. Peace.